Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Truenas versus Proxmox, which is best home server. So if you are into store, manage, backup and share file security across your home or office network, or you're into virtual machines or containers, then you have probably heard about these platforms, but you're not sure which one to choose. So in this video, I'll break down both of these platforms for you so you can select which option is best for you. So first we will start with a TrueNAS. TrueNAS is an open source operating system built for network attached storage. It's ideal for anyone who wants a server that prioritizes data, storage, backup and integrity. Once you get to its website, you can actually contact the team or you can also get a quote for their products. They have multiple solutions based on your need that you can avail. It offers multiple benefits to its users that we can avail, like analytics, backups and archival, cloud, data mobility, file sharing, backups, media entertainment, CCTVs, Veeam backup and visualization, and many more. It has solutions for both industries, which is the B2B and also B2C. So you can avail as per your choice. If you're a single users, then you can get the benefits under use cases. And if you are a company industry looking for some solution, then you can find the solutions under industry. It's up to you whatever you would like to avail as per your need. Also, it has built-in protection against data corruption, snapshots, replication, and more. So through that, you can secure your data. It has a clean web-based UI that's user-friendly even for the beginners. So this was about TrueNAS. Let's go to our Proxmox. So Proxmox is a full-fledged visualization platform that's perfect for building your own mini data center at home. It offers you virtual environment, it offers the backup server, and it also has the mail gateway that you can see the options on the home page. It lets you run the KVM based VMs and LXC containers, meaning you can run multiple operating systems and services on the same machine. You can host your own NAS game servers, development environment, and more. If you want to expand to multiple nodes in the future, so you can go to next level. Pro Max supports clustering. Also, it offers support, implementation, training, and dogs. So whenever you avail their features, they do all for you. Other than that, their web interface is super easy. It has a built web GUI to manage virtual machines, backups, and storage volume. So you can schedule it, screenshots, clone VMs, and set resource limits. You can check out their products and their features that are listed there. If we talk about whom it is best for, so it is for the advanced users who want to run multiple services or OS environments. It is for the developers, thinkers, and home labbers, and people who prefer visualization first setups. You can see in the downloads they have three different features, or you can see the products based on your need. You can just simply get the one that you would like to and you can start using it. Along with the benefits, it also has some downsides. Like it is not a plug and play storage server. It is slightly steeper learning curve for beginners and it requires more manual setup if you want NAS style like sharing. If we talk about the true NAS, it is best for the users focused on storage first setups, people needing reliable file sharing, snapshots, and backups, and it is ideal for media servers, personal clouds, and SMP file storage. But it also has some downsides. Visualization support is there but limited. It is not as flexible as Proxmox for VM heavy setups. And hardware requirement can be higher, especially for ECC, RAM, and ZFS. If to conclude which one is the best, it truly depends on your need. Choose Proxmox if you want a flexible visualization powerhouse to run multiple services, OSs, or experiments. And choose TrueNAS if you want a powerful, stable, and secure storage focused home server that just works. Both of these platforms are open source, reliable, and powerful. It all depends on what your home lab needs the most. So choose wisely based on your need and requirement. So that was all about between the Proxmax and Truenas. I have described all of their features, their benefits and downsides. Now it's up to you whatever you would like to choose for your business. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.